What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to prevent battery health degradation on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, keep your phone away from direct sunlight and hot temperature. So if your phone is in a direct sunlight or the temperature around your phone is very high, then your battery will drain faster. Now the second solution to fix your issue is do not charge your phone up to 80%. So if you will charge your phone to up to 80%, then it will damage your battery health. And now the third solution for your battery health degradation issue is turn on optimized charging. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now here you will see a protect battery button, so make sure you have turned on this button, and after turning on this button it will help you to prevent battery health degradation. Now after all these solutions, if you are still facing the problem, then try uninstalling the apps that drain too much battery. So if any app is draining your phone battery very fast, then you should delete that app from your phone. So just simply tap and hold on the app and then tap on uninstall and then tap on OK. So after deleting the apps that drain battery too much, then it will help you to prevent battery health degradation. So that's how you can prevent battery health degradation on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.